What the hello there? You caught me at my favorite time of year. Festive decorations, cozy sweaters, nutmeg absolutely everywhere for some reason. The road home celebrates traditions new and old. Around my house, there's no tradition more eagerly anticipated than me packaging and delivering homemade gift boxes to friends and family. It takes a bit of effort, but anything worthwhile does, right? Oh, right, the boxes. Hey, BMW, text David. Have you seen my personalized homemade gift boxes?
Text from David. We just finished packing and wrapping. Can you help load?
Hey, BMW, reply to David. Amazing! Exclamation point. Meet you out there, smiley face emoji. Where was I? Oh, right, super thoughtful gifts. People remember that personal touch. Where are they? Hey, BMW, text David. You coming?
Text from David. Check the trunk.
Boy, sometimes the holidays can be exhausting.
Text from David. Why didn't you help this year? The kids and I are tired.
Okay,
Are you
BMW.
out of your
Yes,
meeting
that's great.
yet?
BMW.
I'm exhausted from
Thank
packing
you.
these
Thank you,
boxes.
BMW.
Text from David. Could you pick up some dinner? Text from
Yeah,
David.
that's great,
The kids
BMW.
and I are
Thank you,
exhausted.
BMW.
I think I have carpal tunnel.